Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to part 5 of pool opening 2022. Everything went nicely in part 4. The pump's running. Quite primed. It's got a little air. We're going to wait and see on that. She's running, doing her thing. Let's go ahead and test the light first. So I'm going to move the camera out where the light is. Set you up there. We'll see if it turns on. Oh, the wildlife, ladies and gentlemen. The wildlife. Okay, that'll do. So let's go over here and take a look at that light. So right there, we'll zoom you in a bit. We'll go ahead and test that out. We have light. Excellent. Now we'll test the Polaris booster pump. I'm going to turn it on for just a moment. The water should come stronger from that jet or that outlet. And yes, it absolutely does. Shut her off. The wildlife, ladies and gentlemen. The wildlife. Alright, let's go test the solar now. I want to go make sure the drain valve is closed. I think it is, but got to double check, and then we'll turn it on. It's closed, so we're ready to go. I'm going to go hit the switch for that, make sure the valve opens, and I'll run back here. We should get lots of air. You can see the water stream is warbled a bit, so to speak. I don't know how else to say it. Oh yeah, it's definitely not happy now. The wind is hitting it also, but real soon we're going to get a burst of air. There it goes. We got to work all these fart bubbles out. It's going to piss and moan and bubble and squeak. Gurgle. Kvetch. Amount of adjectives. Windy. Not a lot of satisfying results, but she's picking up. There we go. There's going to be some more pockets in there. Oh yeah. Excellent. So that's all working fine. I got a garden hose over here because we need to fill this pool up. I'll turn over here and see if I can find it. Here he is. Just like that ought to do. This hose was blown out for the winter, so let me go turn it on and we'll see. Alright, the water is on. Really windy now. Wow. Hose is hanging there. You see it there. There it goes. We're good. Still got the wildlife. Ladies and gentlemen, This video is brought to you by Robin. It was Batman's day off. I guess one more thing we could do is purge the solar. So let me get set up for that. I have the solar turned off, so we should get just whatever water is in there. Let me go turn it on with the valve down over here. Oh yeah, there she goes. How's it feel? Cold, ice cold. Not too much there going on. Indeed. While the pump is running, it's going to keep gushing. Even though the solar's off, it's not actually off. So it'll kind of bubble and go and stop and go and all kinds of stuff like that. But that's what it does. Now it's slowing down again. It'll pick back up, like I said. So that leaves us here with a partway empty pool, noisy jets, and one little tiny hose that's going to fill it. Yes, indeed, it will do the job. It's going to take a long time. Typically, the water ends up going up about 1/2 inch an hour. So I got a long time ahead of me. We have about 1.5 feet. So 1.5 feet is going to be 18 inches. So that's 9. Or that's 36 hours, rather. I run the pump, the hose about 12 hours a day. So about 3 days of filling. We'll get the water up over the skimmers, might be sooner, but I really can't do too much until then. One thing I could do is put chlorine tabs in and get those going. That is an entirely other subject. So we're going to leave that for part 6. And part 6 is going to kind of leave off for a couple of days until I get enough water in here that we can then add shock and get the filter running and get this place cleaned up. So we're going to move into part 6, which is putting in the chlorine tabs. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.